Alrighty guys, we are back with another episode of Road to Diamond Pistols, and once again we are back with the LK9, attempting to figure out how to use it.
Demolition destroyed.
Because at the moment we're failing. I hate to say it, but we're failing with this pistol, and that is a bad thing to do. Like, it's not an easy thing to do, according to a few of my friends. Apparently, this pistol is a good pistol, and they don't have any trouble with it, so I don't know what's wrong with me. I really don't know. Aside from the obvious aim issues and stuff. Why is it always stuns? Come on. I don't have tac mask on. Put those stuns away. Thank goodness you didn't see me. But now you're running away too fast. Whoa, how? Why are you looking in this direction? Don't look in this direction. There's nothing over here. Dude, please don't spar at me. Please. Didn't even see you there. Did not even see you there. I think I'm kind of near the spawn. I'm gonna retreat. Retreat! Up! Nope. This is... Come on, I just wanted to escape your spawn. How is that fair? You just decided to gang up on me? I can't win 2-on-2 gunfights, or 2-on-1 gunfights with this weapon. That doesn't work. You guys like house sitters, are you? Just sit in this house? Is that your job? I'm gonna have to kick you out. Can you spawn me? No, okay, you spawn me straight back, ready to get into it, because this is a legitimate safe spawn. Black Ops 3, do I have to tell you what a safe spawn is? You've spawned me here 4 times. That's it, that's it. Yep, okay, I'm going this way. This time. For a little bit of safety. Damn it. Is it the Battle of the Flamethrowers over here? Looks like it. Well, I was definitely dead in that situation. It just seems like wherever I'm spawning, that's where the Look, this is where the enemies are. Wherever I'm spawning.
Smoke checked.
Come on. This map is huge. Please.
Fire break down.
Spawn me somewhere else. No? You don't want to spawn me anywhere else? Why not? I'd love some safe spawns for once. Ha.
Can confirm.
Oh yeah, if you're wondering why I have very unique streaks on. Yeah, it's because I just finished recording my random class generator and I completely forgot to change the streaks around, so trust me, this is not a good streak setup. This is a useless, horrible streak setup, so
Demolition destroyed.
There's many things wrong with it. It does not have a nice curve to it. Where is everyone? Okay, there's people behind me on the bridge. Oh crap. That was probably a mistake. Definitely a mistake. Definitely a mistake. As was my aim. My aim was a mistake. I don't know why I didn't change my streaks. Because this thing is useless. I'm only using this to get it out of my slot. Because I hate this thing so much. But it allowed me to kill the camper, so. Okay. Yep, there's you.
Fire break extinguished.
Just out of my range. I'm in their spawn again.
Trumpet flashed.
Crap. Okay. Somehow that happened. Ow. Ow. Everything's happening. What's happening? I don't know. I couldn't tell you if you asked. Is this a safe spawn? I'm afraid to spawn. He's coming a long way around, isn't he? Yep. What are you gonna do? You seriously went all the way round? That's completely unnecessary. Come on, people sometimes, man. That is literally the most random thing you could have done in that situation, and that is why he won. And he did, and the worst thing was he didn't have a reason for it at all. Flamethrowers, I hate them. Fun to use, horrible to die by. As with everything, every specialist in this game.
Wasted.
Could be the motto of Black Ops 3. Everything in this game is ridiculously fun to use, but horrible to die against.
Second place. Crushed them.
Okay, there's still people behind us. I have another HCXD, which is useless. Well, that's another person there. Okay. Seriously, did not even.
Overwatch.
Okay.
Scratched.
Ow. Nope. I don't want to get exploded.
Drop them.
Ah.
Battery KIA.
I hear you from a mile away. You're as loud as an elephant. Ah, that could have been the final kill too. Damn it. Could have had the final kill on that. Wow, we actually went 26 and 11.
There was
Wow.
never any doubt.
It didn't feel like it. I don't know, we might be getting better with the pistol. We might be. My aim still leaves a lot to be desired with it. For some reason my aim isn't as good with this pistol. I don't know why. I do not know why at all. But the first match was a success. If I can get one successful match out of 3, I'm happy. Alrighty guys, Havoc. Which seems to come up in my map rotation so much and get voted upon so much by people. You have a better gun than me, madam. And I don't like that, so I'm backing off. That is the Razorback. It's amazing how well, like, you know the sounds of gun too. I'm listening. If she somehow sneaks up behind me, I will be a little... I'm moving on. I shall go the long way. Through the camping rooms. I seriously did think I would be getting headshots a little quicker and doing a little better than I with this pistol than I am currently. Crap. Why did I run back there? Why? Ah, I still need to work on when I need to retreat and when I need to, you know, stand my ground, because in that situation I should have just stuck out to it. Oh, okay. Why is it people today are just blending in everywhere? Why is it my aim today is so garbage? Wait, was there someone else out there I missed? There was. Or was that the same guy that I didn't kill? And it's the Razorback dude again. Okay, that wasn't him, that was just a shadow. I've completely... No, okay, he's over around there now. I forgot to check whether he has awareness or not. What is up? I have such a large magazine and yet I'm missing so many shots. Gosh. Maybe I should try... Yeah, I haven't tried a sight on this yet, but I've seen other people use it with sights and it wobbles quite a bit, so... Oh dear. Of course. Straight into that. Oh, that made no sense. I think I just have bad luck with this pistol. Like, I run into too many people. I run into, you know, shock charges that some people just randomly place.
all hostiles.
Well, there's a double kill with it. Where are you gonna spawn, though?
Hostile care package overhead.
Okay. Someone's got a care package. Okay, so where's spawning back there? So they should be spawning back.
Be advised. Hostile UAV
We have some
incoming.
teammates over there, so I don't know. It gets difficult to read spawns in TDM sometimes. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, excuse me. Hold that, please. Like I completely just forgot to check my minimap just then. I had a feeling that he was a sniper. I really did. And yes, I did forget to change my streaks, so that's why we're completely stuck with the same ones. Oh look, and they've gained control of the camping room. That's not good. Basically means they're gonna win now. Seriously, that's how good that room is. Damn it! Come on.
Drop them.
Hostile Guardian spotted.
Really, a Guardian? Oh, where did you come from?
Be advised. Hostile care package overhead. Hostile UAV spotted.
Okay, there's someone else. See, I can do fairly alright in one-on-one gunfights, but if there's any more people than that, I really don't stand a chance.
Nomad down.
Man, I'm getting picked off by snipers today. Seriously. If I die to this, I shall be a tad upset.
Hellstorm inbound.
Outrider KIA.
Come on, kill a few of them. Actually be a good Hellstorm for once. Okay, one person. That's actually the norm with the Hellstorm, so. Sorry.
Shot out.
Okay, I'm not sorry because you didn't die. I would have been sorry if you had died. Now they're all inside here, so.
Hostile hardened sentry in your AO.
Oh boy, as usual. See, that's my luck with this pistol. That's my luck. I always run into two people. Or sparrows. It's alright, we're still positive, so I shall still remain positive. Come on, headshots. No, that wasn't a headshot.
Don't.
Yep. Well, there's one of those things there. I can see it. I'm just gonna go around. Can't see anyone. God damn it. You just happened to peek at the exact time I didn't want you to. You're not dead either. And my aim with this thing isn't amazing, so. Teammates, can you just kill that person, please? There we go. I was trying to sound her a little bit and concentrate at the end there.
Successful.
Hardly a challenge.
Actually, it was a challenge. I don't know what you're talking about, but using this pistol is actually a challenge. I don't know if we got many headshots this game though. Ugh, it's for me. I'm devoting all attention just on killing the person. It's hard to adjust that to headshot level, so because I usually just rely on the natural kick of the weapon. So I am going to wrap up the episode here, guys. I didn't have a lot of time to record today, so recording longer episodes isn't just going to happen today. So 2 games are just going to have to be enough. And I'm sorry for that, but tomorrow I have more time, so it'll be back to 3 matches. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed them, you can click that like button, and I will see you in the next video.